Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete bookmarks in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to click on this three slash icon and select bookmarks, and recent bookmarks you can delete over here. Right click on the certain bookmarks you want to delete it and select delete bookmarks, and after deleting it you can also delete lot of bookmarks over here guys by clicking on this manage bookmarks, and you can able to see the other bookmarks over here listed over here. Bookmarks menu, Mozilla Firefox bookmarks is listed over here. So if you want to delete a certain bookmarks, you just need to right click on it and select delete it guys, delete bookmarks. And you can also search for certain bookmarks you want to delete it, and after getting the bookmarks you just need to right click on it and select delete it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.